Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got a package in the mail, and pretty sure I know what this is. I ordered this quite a while ago. There's a sale going on, and it was for, the newer American Silver Eagles, so I had to wait quite a while to get it in the mail. But I've actually been sitting on it for a couple days, just finally found some time to do the video on it. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's cut this open and let me make sure I know what it is before I start gabbing about it. An interesting package that they sent it in. So there's a book in there, that's why let me pull the invoice out of here. Yep, that's what it is. And I should be able to pull the rest out of here. Alright, there we go. Merchandise enclosed. Quick look at the book. It was from Universal Coins, I think it was. Some nice literature there. I'm sure they're trying to get you to buy. That's fine. Alright, literature. I hope this isn't one of these ones that keeps sending you stuff in the mail like Littleton Coin. I don't think so, but nothing wrong with a little literature if you want to get studied up on stuff. That's why the package was so heavy. I wonder why it was so heavy. Alright, so merchandise enclosed. I've mentioned before that I love these little packages. These things are pretty cool. Maybe a little bit more light will help. Alright, so why don't we go ahead and see what's in here. Peel apart to open. Peel apart to open. So why don't we peel apart to open. And here we go. Alright, so a lot of you were familiar with this deal. They were selling 6 of the 2020 American Silver Eagles for $1.95 over spot. I don't know about you, but I find $1.95 over spot to be a pretty darn good deal. Let me bring my camera down a little bit here. Oh, yeah, what's nice is they put them all in capsules, perfect capsules. I mean, I'm probably going to pop them out and put them in a tube. But it's nice that they send them in 6 capsules as well. We know those capsules cost a little bit of money. So everybody knows what an eagle looks like. Let's zoom in a little bit and take a look at the 2020 on there. Let me set this down. Let me turn off this light over here. These desktop lights give that little yellow cast. I see a lot of YouTube videos where people have the yellow cast on their coins and wonder why they don't turn off those regular light bulbs. But yeah, boy, this is sure reflecting that big bulb I have over the top, huh? So look at that. This is supposed to be the last year of this design. Next year, 2021, they're supposed to at least change the back of it that we're aware of. So I love this design. This is a very, very beautiful design, I think. So we'll see how much they change it. I think they have to be careful about going too radical. I think that people would not be happy if they did too much with it. But yeah, so that one looks pretty good. I'm just looking at the quality of them right now. Looks pretty good. Definitely bounce off that light for sure. Let's look at the back of this one. Sorry about that glare. Boy, that's a pretty bad glare. Maybe get a little... Okay, there we go. That helps out quite a bit if I just get it right up to the camera. That's a beauty, isn't it? I love this coin. Alright, so that one looks good. I'll look at the back of this one first because that's what's up. See, there's some scratches over there, but pretty sure that's just on that capsule. So I'm probably going to pop them out of the capsules. It's not always real fun to pop something out of the capsule because these capsules are on here good. You can get them off of there with like a knife or a razor blade, but yeah, look at that. I mean, you can't even feel the edge of that one. Those are going to be fun. Alright, so here is another one. Yep, there's end capsule. Definitely BU condition. 2020. Beautiful lady. Alright, so yeah, 6 of them for $1.95 over spot. Plus they gave you the free capsules here, I guess. And that made it free shipping with that price. So I got them, I think, in December, so I can't remember what I paid for them. Let me look at this last one here, and then I'll see if I can see on the invoice. Oh, I can't tell. I'm going to have to... Is that a big scratch right there? Hopefully that's just a capsule. That would be a reason for them to be scratched when they're in the capsule, but I'll pop the capsule off and take a look. So I'm going to have to be careful. Oh, looks like a hair that's trapped inside the capsule. Unless that's a die crack. That looks like a hair. Alright, well, we'll check that out. Alright, others have shown this on YouTube. This isn't a big surprise. People have already been receiving these. Like I said, I've been sitting on mine for a couple days. So, yeah, I picked these up for $20.57 a piece. You know, not too bad. Obviously, you can tell at the time, let me see if they were $1.95 over spot, then that would have made them what? That spot would have been about $18.52. No, how about $18.62 at the time? So, yeah, the spot would have been kind of high when we bought them, but yeah, they had the deal. I wanted to get my 2020s. I'm going to put 5 of these in a tube, and I got a plan on one of these to put it in a book. So we'll go ahead and get them open, and out of the capsules, I'll get them in the tubes, and I'll start a tube of 2020s, and we will officially get the 2020 series going, huh? What do you guys think? Pretty nice. Not a bad deal at all. $1.95 over spot. And I'll take that every day. If I can get them below 250, I prefer 225 or lower. But, you know, take a trip out to Provident or Atmex right now and see how much they are. It's not uncommon for these things to be about $3 over spot. So this is a pretty good deal. Saved, you know, probably around $6 or so buying these 6. And there was a maximum of 6. That's all you could get. So I got as many as I could. All right. Let's flip this one over. You can see the back side, front and the back. All right. Well, thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.